Lab coordinators can create a new user, edit an existing user, change a user password, permanently delete a user, and restore a deleted user within MedSkills User Management section. Users can be learners, instructors, or lab coordinators, each with a different role and user interface. On the dashboard, select User Management in the left side navigation. Click Create New User. Enter relevant user information including first name, last name, username, and password. Utilize the drop-down to select the user role. Assure the correct role is selected as learners and faculty have different permissions and interfaces. Click Save to create a new user. Lab coordinators can edit that user's details at any time. Modification of user details include user information such as first name, last name, and username, as well as user role. There is also an option to delete the user. To delete a current user, click Delete and click OK. Utilize the following steps to change a user's password. Return to the user list by clicking User Management in the left side navigation. Locate the intended user and select the settings icon at the end of the row. Click Change Password. Enter the new password and then type it again in the Confirm New Password field. Click Save. A password change successfully pop-up will appear. Utilize the following steps to either permanently delete a user or restore a user deleted by mistake back to an active user. Again, the User Management section of MedSkills is only available via a Lab Coordinator login. Under User Management in the left side navigation, click Deleted Users. To permanently delete a user, locate the intended user and select the settings icon at the end of the row. Here, you have the option to either restore or permanently delete the user. Click Permanent Delete and click OK. To restore a user deleted by mistake, locate the intended user and select the settings icon at the end of the row. Click Restore User.